Hello! Today we are going to talk about the vibe check bubble and why most AI pilots fail the moment they try to scale. Over 80% of enterprise AI pilots are stuck in pilot purgatory. They work perfectly for a small group. The demo looks great, everyone is impressed, but when these systems scale, they break. With hallucinations, hidden loops, and silent drift. The problem isn't the model or the data, it's the testing strategy. Most teams still rely on the vibe check, prompting an agent, reading the output, and deciding it looks right. That's not engineering. The vibe check fails because humans don't see compound probability. If an agent is 95% accurate per step and a workflow has 10 steps, the success rate drops to about 60%. That means a great agent fails almost half the time at scale, even though each individual response looks fine. To fix this, we have to move from subjective validation to objective governance. In AI systems, correctness isn't binary. What matters is semantic alignment. Instead of checking exact outputs, we measure how far responses drift from a trusted truth set, what we call the golden set. This is where teacher-student architectures come in. The student is your production model, fast and cost-efficient. The teacher is a reasoning-first model that never touches users. The student generates output. The teacher evaluates it against the golden set. A semantic score is assigned. If that score drops below a defined threshold, the build fails. No vibes, just math. This changes everything. Instead of guessing whether a system is safe, teams can point to real metrics. Semantic drift across thousands of cases. That's how AI becomes reliable infrastructure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.